Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a few moments later time cut from any editing videos, as long as you can add multiple tracks like this. I can add video tracks or audio tracks, can one and above. So now you can do this. Okay, now we're going to import our file. You want to import pictures written a few moments later like this. You can create it from PowerPoint or any software that can, but PowerPoint is more easiest. Okay, you can add some icon on it or what. Okay, now open and then drag into the video track. Okay, before we import the audio or the sound effect track, we secure this track first so it won't split into half or move away. Okay, now ways you can download the sound effect, or you can download from the internet, but you need to be careful of the copyright. So you make sure it's copyright free or record by yourself. You can record by Audacity or any sound recorders. Okay, depends on you. Now let's import the sound effect. A few moments. Okay, now we drag into here. Okay, now we unlock this and then unlock this and then drag until send with the sound. Okay, now it test run. Okay, now and one more time. A few moments later. Okay, done. So now we are done. Okay, now we can export. You can export to MP4 or WAE files, depends on your usage. MP4 is more compatible, not same. Okay, so now thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get more tech tutorial videos, and don't forget to share my videos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next video.